Hey there, savvy viewers. Ever thought about what it really means to bring people together and create some genuine unity? Buckle up as we dive into this juicy topic. All right, picture this. The Bible has a lot to say about unity, and it's something our society could use a hefty dose of right now. From Ephesians 4, verse 3 to John 17, verse 23, these verses pack a powerful punch, urging us to keep the peace in an often divided world. Let's get real with it, shall we? Meet Carlos, a stellar young adult who's not just twiddling his thumbs about the division in his community. From work to family gatherings to church, it's like everywhere he turns, there are clashes over politics and social issues. Sound familiar? Taking a leaf out of Romans 12:18, Carlos decides it's high time to step up. His secret sauce? Listening more and judging less. He kicks it up a notch by organizing a community dialogue event that brings different voices to the table. Seeking common ground becomes his daily mantra, focusing on shared values rather than feeding the flames of disagreement. When those discussions start to sizzle, Carlos remembers Proverbs 15:1 and gives a gentle nudge instead of adding fuel to the fire. A bit of prayer, a dash of patience, and some good old community project work, Carlos is truly walking the talk. Plus, he even makes a point to befriend someone with differing opinions, because why not broaden those horizons, right? Slowly but surely, Carlos's efforts start to sprout. People in his community begin to see each other as humans first, opinions second. It's like a breath of fresh air in a room that's been short on oxygen, unity starting to feel less like a fairy tale. Now, folks, unity isn't just some fluffy concept. It's baked into the core of being a decent human and a darn good Christian. Paul's not messing around in 1 Corinthians that call for perfect unity isn't just for kicks. So here's the kicker. Unity isn't just for Sundays or special occasions. It's an everyday hustle, seeking understanding, finding common ground, and tackling injustice with open arms rather than a clenched fist. Oh, and how about using social media to spread some warmth instead of stirring up chaos? A novel thought, right? Think about it. Could a sprinkle of unity magic change the vibe in your life and your community? Imagine the ripples of peace spreading outwards. You've got some serious superpowers in your back pocket, the power to bring people together, one heart at a time. Thanks for hanging out, folks. If you enjoyed this